Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Typical Channel, and in this video I'll be showing you on how you can fix the no disk space error on iMovie. I had this problem earlier and I figured I did not, but Apple support figured out that it didn't work because I had this beta version of macOS Catalina and I deleted it and I reinstalled macOS Mojave, and now it works perfectly for me. If you are running on the beta version of Catalina, I recommend you to uninstall it and reinstall the new copy of macOS Mojave, and that will fix the problem. If not, and you're on the macOS Mojave, then this is how you fix it. First of all, you want to open iMovie. Then the first thing that you want to probably do is just get rid of, delete some of the unwanted videos. Then you can go to media and you want to press the iMovie library thing. Then you can delete all of the extra, I'm going to do this here. You can delete all of the extra files you don't need. If you press delete from media, it's gonna ask you this, and you wanna press delete. As you can see, now it's removed, and yeah. So if this is not solving your problem, then I recommend you to ask Apple support, and I promise you that they will figure it out for you. Thank you guys for watching another video of Typical Channel, and I hope you have an awesome day.